channel. Yes, you guys, we are getting 2 inserts this Sunday. We are getting one RetailMeNot and one Smart Source. So I'm just going to go through the list with you guys so you guys can debate on if you want to get inserts or not. But yeah, so the website that I am looking at that I always share with you guys is SundayCouponInserts.com. I love this website, so let's dig in. Sorry, my voice is really raspy. I've been talking a lot lately. But RetailMeNot, here it is. We have Amberin. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but Cetaphil, $4, $2, $5 off at 2. We got Domino Sugar, 75 cents. Usually there's a deal that you guys can do at Walgreens with that if you have that coupon. Gain Flings, we got $1. Another $2 off Gain. $3 off Gain. And then we got Gillette Blade Refill, $4 off. Joint Flex, $2 off. Kellogg's Rice Krispie Corn Flakes, $1 off 2. We got Lindt, 50 cents. That's going to be a good coupon to use with the holiday and sale prices. Night Through, Purex Crystals, $1. Rachel Ray, buy one, get one free. Or buy one of the food bag, get Catch Treats free. We got regular wet dog food, cat food for $3 off a variety pack. Another thing of the dog food, buy one, get one free. And then $3, $2. Renews-Its, we got $1 off the 3-pack. And then we are also getting the buy 4, get 2 free coupon. There's also an Ibotta deal, so hopefully we can get some good deals with that. That's a coupon I never get. Jealous, but yeah. We're getting Rock, $3 off, $2 off, $3 off. Shea Moisture Men Beard Essentials, $5 off 2. And then we also have the Shea Moisture products, $5 off at 2. The Honey Baked Ham Store coupons, not sure what that is. Tide Simply, we have 50 cents and then $1 for a difference Tide Simply. So that is what is in the RetailMeNot. Here is the Smart Source. We got Airborne, Alka-Seltzer, $2, $1. Not sure what that is. Curel Hydra, $3 off. Moisturizer, $1 off. Eggland. Yeast, 40 cents off of a 3-count. So if you guys plan on making anything with yeast, definitely go ahead and do that. I remember when I was searching for it everywhere, and now it's finally available. Jergens Ultra Healing, we have $2 off. Corn syrup, 40 cents. Keebler Cookie Products, 50 cents. Mega Red, Move Free. Novaria, Olay Daily Facials, $2. We got Pom Poms, 50 cents and $1, and then also 50 cents. We're getting pull-ups, $2 off. Refresh, 3 and 8. Ricola, we got $1 off at 2. Russell Stouffer's, $1 off at 2. There might be a deal with Christmas coming up. Truvia, $1.50, which is a good coupon. $2 off. There is some deals in Ibotta with that. We got Kotex pads, $3 off at 2, $3 off the tampons 2, and then the world's best cat litter, $5. So those are the inserts that we are getting. Hopefully you guys can debate on what's a good insert. I don't feel like it's very good inserts in my opinion. We will see what I physically get in my newspaper, but everybody gets different inserts. I kind of know what I get over the time frame. But we will see. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later.